Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and signing into the exact Google account you'll use for Gmass. Don't switch accounts mid-install. Once signed in, make sure Gmail is loaded and you can access the web interface. You'll need extensions enabled, so check Chrome settings quickly. Next, open the Chrome Web Store search bar and type the extension name. This first actionable move gets you to the Install entry where you click Add to Chrome to begin. After clicking Add to Chrome, you'll see a permissions prompt. Read it. You must allow Gmass to access Gmail features so it can compose and send messages. Without these permissions, it won't work. Once you accept, the extension auto-installs and a small icon appears near the Omnibox. If a sign-in step appears, follow it using the same Google account. Finally, refresh Gmail so the extension integrates into the Compose window and shows its toolbar. You now configure Gmass from the Compose toolbar. Pick your sender name, campaign settings, and any tracking options. Once configured, send a small test message to yourself to verify delivery and formatting. This confirms permissions and sending capability. If the extension doesn't appear, make sure Chrome's extensions are enabled and refresh Gmail. If sending fails, disable other mail-related extensions temporarily and retry. Often a conflict blocks Gmass, and turning off the conflicting extension resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.